Hey, today we are in Peugeot 508 and I'm going to show you how to reset the service icon and the spanner symbol on the dashboard. This is a regular maintenance reminder, and when you replace your filter, oil and inspect other safety systems in your car, you can reset the symbol, reset the reminder yourself. So what you're going to do is turn the ignition off. Then you need to press and hold the 0 button, and with the button pressed, turn the ignition on, still holding the button. Let's press it, turn the ignition on, and we have a 10-second countdown. Wait till it goes to 0. And as you can see, the service reminder is gone, also the spanner symbol is gone. We can turn the ignition off, turn it back on, just to confirm that everything is done. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Check my other tutorials for Peugeot and other brands, and see you soon.